Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting Khaleed and confirming your emblem and build. This matters because he scales with physical and durability. Once done, prioritize early sustain, buy lifesteal or vampiric scepter so you can trade and recover. Make sure to set quick cast for skills and unlock the camera to track rotations. That reduces wasted input and lets you contest side objectives. Start pushing the wave immediately to pressure opponents while keeping vision. Placing one ward near buff paths secures your early farm. You should pivot to map control and objective timing in the mid-game because Khaleed excels in sustained skirmishes. Once you have core items, use Sandwalk to reposition and avoid burst. This increases damage uptime and survivability. Make sure to weave basic attacks into your Desert Tornado to stack passive damage. That combo multiplies your trade efficiency. Communicate with your initiator and only commit after enemy crowd control is used, so you don't get locked down immediately on approach. You close games by reading the enemy composition and choosing to split or group accordingly. Khaleed can solo towers, but also turn team fights with sustained pressure. Once engaged, use your ultimate to either chase fleeing carries or peel for teammates, and make sure to disengage if you get caught in a crowd control chain. Survival sustains pressure. If things go wrong, adjust. Buy defenses to survive burst and switch focus to enemy squishies, so your damage matters and you recover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.